Hello, and welcome to Matrix Snippets. Today we're going to discuss the changes that were made to the multifamily search regarding the units section. Down here under the general information, you'll see that we have the units fields. Rooms, beds, full baths, half baths, square foot, and rent. I'm not going to worry about occupancy, but you can search with that one as well. What we've done with this field is a couple of different things. One, we've removed the unit type, so you don't have to enter in 1, 2, 3, or 4 to search for all 4 values in the units. And we entered in the operators and or. And this does a couple of things. First of all, we can enter in values and create a set of values, which is anything that's entered into a row. That becomes the set of values that it's going to search by. We can then add in a second row and search using the and or statement, and I'll show you that in just a second. But for now, what I want to show you is that I'm going to show how it will search through not just unit 1, but it's going to search through all 4 units. So I'm going to type 5 rooms, 2 beds, and excuse me, not 22, that's okay, 2 beds and 2 full baths. Okay, what this is doing right now, as you tab out of the circle, is finding any unit that has 5 rooms, 2 beds, and 2 full baths in any one of the 4 units. And it comes up with 6 matches in this case. So I'm going to go to results, and I'm going to look at the full report so that I can see the units and how they're broken down. Again, I told you we got rid of the unit type. We did not remove the unit type from the reports. It's still available there. Now in this instance, you can see that we searched 5, 2, and 2, and we found one, but it also has 17 rooms in one of them. That's okay. What you're looking for is any unit that has 5 rooms, 2 bedrooms, and 2 full baths, and that's what it found. Okay, let's look at another one just to follow it through. We'll go to the second one. And here again, this one has 3 units. And you can search by adding in the number of units that you want as well. That's part of the criteria that you can add in. But right now I'm just showing what happens with a unit search. So you see the 5, 2, and 2. It's in the 3rd unit. Again, we put in 1 row and we search through all 4 units. Let's just check another one. And then we'll move on to the second step. Again, unit 2 has the correct values that we were searching for, 5, 2, and 2. And we'll do the last one. Just to show, there's the first one that has 5, 2, and 2. So it does search through all 4 units. All right. Now let's go back to criteria. Under criteria, you notice we have an and statement. What this refers to is if we want to add in a second row, and I'm going to add in 6, 3, and 2. Okay. And you'll notice the countdown at the bottom changes to just 1. Because now what I'm looking for, because it has the and value, I need a unit. I don't care whether it's 2, 3, or 4 units at this point, that has these 2 values in it. Okay, so let's go check, see what we found for results. And we'll open up the full report and scroll down to that section, and you can see that we have exactly what we were looking for. 6 rooms, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and then another unit that has 5, 2, and 2. So it did exactly what we were looking for. Okay, now you can add in different variables into your search. You can add in a 5+, in any, or a 2+, or in any one of these columns. So you don't have to search just for the exact number. So you can say, okay, I want anything that has 2+ full baths in it. Your regular search will still work just fine. Now I can add in up to 2 more values here, just like you could before, and that's entirely up to you, but it's under the same principle. So now I'm going to show you what happens when we use the OR operator. And you notice we just toggle on the OR operator, and if you look down at the bottom next to the matches, down here on the bottom left, you'll see there's 1 match. Now I'm going to switch to OR, which means I'm going to find anything with a 522 or a 632. So we're going to click on OR and tab out of it, and now we're up to 20 matches. So now I should have units that has one of these sets of values in it. So let's go to results and just confirm what we have here. Scroll down to see, and there you go, we have the 522. Now it may have been one of the ones that we had before because we used that value, but it just gives you an idea. I'm just going to randomly pick one over here. And there we have a 632. It doesn't have any of the 522, but it does have the 632. So I think this search, the way that it's set up now, will work much better for any of your multifamily searches without using the unit type involved in the search. And again, filtering one row will filter through and search through all 4 units within the listing. Okay, and it should give you the results you want. Again, there's a 632 with no 522. So it's finding exactly what we want with 20 values in it. Now, you can continue on and you can do more searches. Like I said, you can add the plus sign in here, and as you add a value in there, you'll see as you tab out of it, it may or may not change the value depending on what you add for criteria. And that one increased to 30. So you can see how it works in your favor. You want to clear and start all over again, you can certainly do that. Again, if you have any questions regarding the unit search without the unit type, again, the unit type is not needed in this particular search because this will find any unit that's in there. If it's only 2 units, it's going to find a value that you typed in there in a row. And very important to remember is each row is considered a set of values. Okay? Not individually, but as a set. So it's going to look for all these values when you're searching for any multifamily listings. And then if you add a second row, depending on the operator you choose, will be and have to have both the values, sets of values, and using the OR statement, find one set of values or the other. I hope this helps you searching in a multifamily, and I think it'll work out very well. If you have any questions, by all means, call MLS Tech Support, 401-432-6905, and have a great day.